Jump off the couch.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Almost. Almost all the way. You do a couple more? You're getting tired. Yeah. Couple more. One more. One more, little monkey. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. That one taller? Yay! Let's get a light. Let's get a light. There we go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, bath time? Is it bath time? Huh? You got a mohawk. You got a mohawk. Look at that hair. Hmm. I think Waylon wants to play with you. Huh? Go get him. Let's go get him. Get him. Let's get him. Not where? Is that a scary dark room? Huh? You can turn the light on for you. Come here. Lila. Come here. Come here. You've never been in this room. Come here. What's he got? Look at that. Can you say hi? Where's Waylon? Can you say here? Where's your doggy? Where's your doggy? He's over there. He's over there. There you go. Waylon. Here he comes. There's your doggy. Making a video. Oh, it's dark in there. It's scary.
Hi, come here. Okay, bye.
You going in there all by yourself?
I bet there's a lion in there. You're not a freaking lion. Afterburners!
Be careful. You don't want to mess with his toy, Lila. You don't want to mess with his toy. He gets possessive. Go ahead. You can move, Waylon. Where are you going? You had a little sugar today or what?
I gave her banana yogurt.
Is it the yogurt? Oh! Oh! We need a little overpass sign.
What's that over there? Go get it.
What is that?
Baby, baby Crockett.